Every die uses this tool daily. Its surprising history will change your perspective. Every die uses this tool daily. Its surprising history will change your perspective. Today, we explore the humble screwdriver's origins. It's a tool many take for granted, but its evolution shaped our world significantly. From simple beginnings to complex designs, it improved. Understanding its past makes us better repairers. Let's uncover the secrets behind this essential helper. This simple tool holds a rich, surprising history. Its journey reflects human ingenuity and progress. Grease, these weren't for fastening materials. Archimedes developed the water screw around 250 BC. Archimedes developed the water screw around 250 BC. Mechanical screws for presses arrived in the 15th century. Leonardo da Vinci designed screw-cutting machines. However, dedicated screwdrivers were still absent. People used basic tools like pointed metal rods. The first modern screws emerged in the 16th century. They featured a simple, straight slot. These blacksmiths' tools were often custom fit for each screw. Watchmakers utilized small, precise slotted drivers. The slotted head became the industry standard. Its simplicity made it widely accessible for centuries. Slotted screws had a significant problem. Drivers often cammed out, stripping the heads easily. This frustration led to innovation. In the 1930s, Henry F. Phillips patented a new design. His Phillips head screw offered better grip, itself globally centered, reducing cam-out drastically.
The Phillips screw quickly became ubiquitous globally.
Other designs soon followed Phillips' success. Robertson square drives appeared in Canada in 1908. They offered superior cam-out resistance. Torx heads, invented in 1967, improved torque transfer. Hex keys or Allen wrenches also became common. These innovations responded to specific industrial needs. Each design solved unique fastening challenges effectively. For example, tamper-resistant screws require unique drivers. This diversity ensures optimal fastening for every task. Always match the driver to the screw head precisely. From simple rods to specialized tips, screwdrivers evolved. Their journey reflects centuries of problem-solving. Knowing this history helps you choose the right tool. It empowers your DIY projects with better understanding. Appreciate the engineering behind every turn you make. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.